Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight your mouse with Cam Studio. So first thing you do is go to your recording Cam Studio and then go effects. Go, if you want to click use mouse click sound, but you don't need to, so go across and here hide the mouse, show the mouse, highlight clicks, whatever you choose. I chose highlight the mouse and clicks. So you click on it and you're supposed to have this bar, and as you can see my cursor, my mouse effect is on, my highlight mouse is on, my highlight clicks is on. So that's it for this video, and have a nice day.